Hey, this is a bar here. It's called Poker Bar, Poker Cafe Bar. So this is kind of check it out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is a bar here. It's called Poker Bar, Poker Cafe Bar. So this is kind of check it out and see what it's all about. You can see the this one here says Poker Cafe Bar up there. And I'll just kind of give you a context of where it's at. It's kind of all these tall buildings. And then over here there's the border to China. So it's actually really close to the border of China. So that's won some kind of award, iFood award. I don't know what that's all about. Jägermeister. Let's just kind of see if we can see inside. So that's what it looks like inside. And you can see a bar up there. Actually looks like there's also something up on the top too. The dartboard, tables. Okay. Let's see what else is on this side. I don't know if it's kind of the same view, but let's put the window right up against it, the camera. So, okay. And then it looks like they have happy hour 10 p.m. I guess, at 3:30 a.m. I don't know. Happy hour night, all you can drink. Okay, maybe that's one night a week. Got some soft drinks, and then you have Japanese beer, American beer, 2 American beers, wow. And then a bunch of these. So, okay, it's called the, oh, I don't know what that's all about. All you can drink. Ladies' night? Huh. Okay. Well, anyways, this is called the Poker Cafe Bar. So it looks like a pretty interesting place. And we'll just kind of put you in a little bit of context for it as well. This one right here has, actually we're going to explore this in another video. There's Royo. But this is all by the border. So basically everything here is by the border. So we're just going to walk up a little bit and see. Today's kind of an interesting day because well, we're just gonna see. So this is the little plaza. This is a pretty nice motorcycle right there. It's beautiful. Wow. Okay. So actually we have a lot of people who are just so they're cleaning. Some people are just kind of hanging out. So maybe in another video, some McDonald's. And right there's the border. So in a little bit we're gonna do another video and just kind of show all about the border. And if you're looking for a street name, it's Praça das Portas do Circo. Plaza near the border. Okay. You got this whole thing too. You can go across and then get over on that side, or you can just walk over on that side as well. Okay. Maybe we'll just go back to the Poker Cafe, give you a little bit more context to things. Here's the elevator, stairs. And I don't know what's up with all the people that are kind of hanging around. Well, it is a plaza, so it's hard to say. This always has like a really border feel, so I don't know if they're going back and forth today or not, because it's height of the COVID. So, but later we're gonna see if we can find out about what's going on. Okay, let's just kind of see what's going down these streets. Okay, let's see all these kind of cool buildings up there too. And we're just going to conclude back up here at the Poker Cafe. There we go, Poker Cafe again. Oops. So okay, let's just kind of put our camera right in there again, and there's the Poker Cafe right there. Okay, let's get into this one. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.